Super Cuquin! Oh! Blue rabbit! Yay! Green rabbit! Orange rabbit! Aha! Great! Green rabbit, orange rabbit, blue rabbit. Ah! Great! Carrots!
Panda Bag. Songs, episodes, music. Cleo and Cuquín's app has lots of fun.
Insect surprise egg! Surprise egg! It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open! Open! Surprise egg! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web out. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3, the orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in